Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. This is a beautiful 10-piece bartender kit from Mixology and Craft. I absolutely love this kit. It makes me feel like I am a professional bartender right here in the comfort of my own home. It comes with 10 different tools, so it has everything you need to make any drink that you want to make at home. It comes with a double-sided jigger. It also comes with a stirring spoon, a strainer, an awesome muddler, which is one of my favorites, 2 pourers, a nicely engraved wine opener, ice tongs, and then of course the shaker. But one of my favorite parts is this beautiful bamboo stand. The bamboo stand just tops off the beautiful look so you can display it nicely on your home bar and it looks amazing. You don't have to worry about where you're going to store everything. It just fits nicely right in your bamboo stand. So my drink of choice right now is a gin and tonic. I'm able to use the pourer, shaker, ice tongs, muddler, and the stirring spoon to make my gin and tonic. This Mixology and Craft 10-piece bartender kit is perfect for our home bar. We absolutely love it, and it makes a great gin and tonic, but that's just my point of view.